In Science Today, you are going to watch a few different videos on what animals eat. The first video encompassed a lot of information about consumers and producers, but the food chain was a good introduction to what animals eat and what eats them. So I hope you like that video because I really like that video. And then after you listen to me, you'll go watch either one or all three. They're not very long videos, but they're pretty interesting. One video is about omnivores, animals that eat plants and meat. Another video is herbivores, animals that eat plants, and it's at a zoo. And then there's a video about bald eagles because they are carnivores and they're eating different types of meat in the video. So what I want you to do is hold up 4 fingers. Say, animals need 4 things. Say, food, water, shelter, air. One more time. Say, food, water, shelter, air. So today you're going to be looking at the food they need because next week I'm going to ask you, tell me a couple things that animals need to have. And then I'm going to ask you, where do animals get their food? So next week in our test, you're going to have to tell me a couple things. You don't have to know all 4 things of what animals need to survive. I want you to tell me at least 2. And then you're also going to tell me, where do animals get their food? Some animals eat meat. Some animals eat plants. Some animals eat both. So I want you to say, some animals eat meat. Say, some animals eat plants. And then say, some animals eat both. So humans are omnivores. We eat both plants and meat. So we have the type of teeth that are sharp in the front to tear and the flat ones in the back to chew. So we are omnivores. Mr. Kitty over here, cats are carnivores. So I'll show you his little teeth. He's got sharp teeth. Hold still, Mr. Kitty. See his big sharp thing right there? They have sharp teeth to, thank you, tear meat. You know, my cat eats cat food, but in the wild, if he was a mountain lion or a bobcat or a tiger, he would be eating fresh meat and tearing the meat with his sharp teeth. Some animals eat plants. So in your video, you'll see like a koala bear. They eat eucalyptus leaves. We've seen panda bears. They eat bamboo. Maybe you've seen a horse in the community. Horses are herbivores. They eat plants, just like goats and llamas. So there's lots of different animals around here that eat plants. So on Monday, you're going to tell me, or not Monday, sorry, next week, when I test you, where do animals get their food? They get their food from other animals. They get their food from plants. And some animals eat both. So go ahead, watch a couple videos. After you're done, pick an animal that you saw in one of the videos. You will draw a picture of it and draw a picture of what it eats. So I'll show a quick example. And you can't pick mine because it's not in one of the videos. Pick a different one. So if I draw, it's kind of a sad little whale. All right, here's my whale. My little whale. So here's my whale, and my whale eats krill. So after you draw an animal that you see in one of the videos, you have to draw a picture of what it eats, and then have your helper help you write the words. So stretch it out with your fingers, all the sounds, and write them. Or if someone helps you, you could write the words. So I drew a whale, and my whale eats krill. If you draw a grizzly bear, you could draw him eating fish. If you draw an eagle, you could have them eating a rabbit. If you draw a tortoise, you could have him eating the pumpkin. In the video, he eats a pumpkin. But if you know what if other things that these animals eat, then you could draw that too. So then you'll take a picture, and that's what you'll upload. Now it's your turn.